Hey, what's up everybody? This is a quick video on a hydraulic hood lift. Get rid of this whole hood rod lift right here so you can keep it in there and not have to use it. So these hydraulics mount to this little slot right here, and then back here on this bolt the directions are really clear. It's like a three-step process. You put in one bracket here, one bracket here, clip on the hydraulic rods, and you're done. Really convenient. I really like it. Just did it to the wife's Jeep. Shouldn't have any issues with it. Directions are super clear, and they run about $100 off of Amazon. So let's jump right into this. You're gonna have two sides for your brackets that go to your body. One of them being the number 28 and the other one being the 29. You're gonna want the 29 for your passenger side and a 10mm ratchet. Take off this rear bolt right here. Put on the bracket number 29, and then the directions state basically when you get it down tight to, or you know, just kind of a little bit snug, push down and in, so in towards your battery and your engine bay, down and in on the bracket while you tighten it, to kind of put it in the right position, because it's just a little loose. And the one that goes into your hood, they're matching, so it doesn't matter what side you use. Basically what you're gonna do is loosen up this back bolt on here so that the provided little rod, little flat basically rod, goes into this slot. You gotta slide it in at a sideways angle, and then tighten it back down where your knob for your hydraulic is facing towards your engine bay. What I do is put a little blue Loctite onto these bolts just to keep them from coming loose unintentionally, and it's nothing that's permanent. It can't be undone with a simple hand tool. I'll undo this top bolt to keep that keeps that little bracket in place, that little rod in place. Put blue Loctite on the front bolt. Real easy. Next step, take your hydraulic rod, either one, place the quick disconnect side down and then the other side up towards the top, and just kind of wiggle it on. And then for the bottom one, open up the lock and then depress the rod some. And you'll have no issues getting it on. So the cool thing about these is they have a quick disconnect here, so that if you ever had to lift that hood back, you just turn this red lock and they just slide off, instead of you actually having to pop them with that retention band on there, and we won't have to use this rod anymore. So then we'll just basically do the same thing on the other side and you're all done. All right, so the whole project's done and it's real easy. Open, close, lift. Good to go. No more rod. That'd be all, folks.